Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a completely free WordPress account and even of course with the hosting. So you don't need to worry about paying for extra of the hosting. So it will be really beneficial for whom who is just learning WordPress. So you can practice your WordPress knowledge. So yeah, you can uh, create your portfolio websites. So you can do maybe blogging as well on this, and yeah, it will be beneficial for small business as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm currently on Pantheon website. I'll give you the link in the description. So once you're here, click on get started or start for free, however you want. So I'll click here. It'll ask me to register. So it's very straightforward. Just register with your account. Once you are in, so once you register, you will see this screen. Just put your name. I'm just putting my channel name. Country, I'm selecting US for now. Choose anything. Or of course, you will choose areas. So for my case, I'm not agency. I create here the TOC. So right now, let's click on create a new site. Okay, now you can select whether you want to do WordPress or Drupal, but since of course if you're doing WordPress here, so I'll click on WordPress. I'll give a name, select a region. For me, I've selected US, so you can see how the URL will look like. Oh, it says already adjusted. Never mind. So let me give some other name. It should work. Cool, it worked. So here you are in the dashboard. It'll take a couple of seconds, not seconds, I would say minute to complete this. Let's wait. Oh, so it's been completed, but yeah, it took a couple of minutes by the way. So visit dashboard. So once you're here, click on site admin. First of all, you need to install WordPress. So select your language, give it a name. Oops. Yeah, give it a name. Let the title, let the password be. So I just copy. Just give in your username, password, email. So this one is basically if you don't want Google to crawl your website or any other search engines to crawl your website. So I recommend don't check in if you're creating any blogs and if you're creating any blog portfolio. So hit install. Done. So just log in. Cool, I'm logged in. So if you check your website now, It'll also show you something like that. So I'll also try to tell you how you can make it, in a professional website. So what you need to do is go to appearance and themes, click on by the way, new theme, right? So I'd like to go for a star. So I'm just installing it, click on activate. Cool. Now if you go and refresh your website, you'll see a basic WordPress website. So I'll also tell you how to make it professional for free. So here, click on starter templates. Okay, so once you're here, one thing to make sure you select Elementor. All right. So if you haven't installed Elementor, do one thing: go to your websites, dashboard, then go to plugin and add new plugin. Right. So I've already installed my Elementor. Generally, the starter template asks for you to install the Elementor, but for me, it didn't ask. So make sure if it also behaves same with you, go to add plugins and search for Elementor. It's very easy to use plugin. Just make sure this is activated. Okay. One more thing happened with me. It was not loading. So if it doesn't, just click on sync library here. So it should load. Cool. So since now it has been loaded, so what we can do is we can try anything, any of that. For example, I wanted to maybe this. Okay. So select the color palette from here. I'll keep the default for now. Upload your logo if you have. Just click on continue. Okay. So these are the features that's coming from uh, the websites. So I don't want this. If you want, just click on check all of this. So I'll just skip this. Okay. So just put something here. Put your name. Okay. So for me, I can give intermediate, but yeah, give it beginner if you are. That doesn't matter. Okay. Cool. So make sure you check everywhere. So let it play. Give it a minute or two. Cool. Our website seems ready. So let's look at the website now. Great. You have your awesome website built in few minutes. This is how you can create and basically host your website for free. This is the link of your website. Okay, so now let me also show you how you can log into your website. Maybe. So let's say tomorrow you come back, how you can log in. If you don't want to go to Pantheon. So of course, if you log into Pantheon and go to sites, you'll have the option to site admin. But other than that, what you can do it besides your website's name, / and WP admin. That's it. So you'll have the option to log in. Since I'm already logged in, it'll take me to the dashboard.